If you're gaining weight on fruits, there's two problems. We call it the twins, the adrenals and the thyroid. The thyroid is used to control metabolic rate, and the adrenals are used to metabolize sugar. Also, your pancreas may not be working properly, so you're not digesting food properly. And second of all, your gut. You might have mucous plaque blocking the use of nutrients, okay, in the small bowels. So you need to clean those up. And the only way to do that is with the fruits. Okay, you need to go 100% fruits, you need to add some dry fasting, you need to get those kidneys filtering, because the kidneys are not filtering, you cannot drain those acids affecting those glands. So you can't clear the body up. You need to clean the gut, you need to use a GI broom, scrub the gut, remove any blockages in the gut, because the head sits on the GI tract. And the head has all the primary, all the basic pituitary gland, the thyroid, parathyroid glands are there, and they control all these functions. So it needs to be clean. You need to do some enemas, clean the gut with the fruits, with the herbs. Use herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymphatic system, endocrine system, stomach, and bowels. If you don't have herbs, you can do intermittent dry fasting, 14 to 16 hour daily dry fast with fruits. Break it with fruit juices and just have fruits an hour later with solid fruits and repeat. But you have to get the kidneys filtering. If the kidneys don't filter, you can't drain those acids out. You got to get the gut clean. If the gut's not clean, you can't drain those acids out. Okay, so fruits are the fastest way of losing weight, because they're low calorie, high nutrient dense foods, high energetic, high antioxidant, high everything. And if you're not succeeding with fruits, you can't succeed with any starches or proteins. It just won't happen. Okay, the protein and starches will suppress your symptoms, but it will come out with a bigger blowback and you have bigger issues. So in my opinion, 100% fruits, clean the gut, clean the kidneys, get the kidneys filtering, get the lymph moving with the fruits. You got to clean the thyroid and the adrenals. Use an adrenal glandular if you can get it, 400 milligrams, and stick to it. You got to be patient, you got to work with it, because remember, you're here because it took you years to get here. Some work is needed to get to a good state of health. You cannot have it in a few weeks. It takes a bit of time, but it's well worth the journey.